In today's digital world, the internet offers endless possibilities for making money online, and writing is no exception. If you are a writer looking for ways to make money online, there are several secret hacks that you can use to turn your passion for writing into a lucrative business. Making money online has several benefits, including the ability to work from anywhere, flexibility in your work schedule, and the potential to earn a substantial income. We will explore the specific ways writers can make money online, provide tips and tricks for successful online writing, and share insights from personal experience and research. 1. Freelance writing. One of the most popular ways to make money online as a writer is through freelance writing. There are numerous websites and platforms, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where writers can find freelance writing gigs. These platforms offer a variety of writing jobs, including blog posts, website content, social media posts, and product descriptions. The pay for freelance writing can vary widely, depending on the project and the client, but it is possible to earn a significant income through freelance writing. 2. Content creation. Another way to make money online with writing is through content creation. Many websites and online businesses are constantly in need of fresh, engaging content to attract and retain their audience. As a writer, you can offer your services as a content creator and create articles, blog posts, ebooks, and other types of content for these businesses. You can either work directly with clients or use content creation platforms like iWriter, Cantina, and Scripted to find writing opportunities. 3. Self-publishing. Self-publishing has become a popular way for writers to make money online, especially with the rise of ebooks and digital publishing. Platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing and Smashwords allow writers to self-publish their work and earn royalties from book sales. Self-publishing gives writers complete control over their work and allows them to earn a higher percentage of their book sales compared to traditional publishing. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way writers can make money online. By promoting products or services through affiliate links in their writing, writers can earn a commission on any resulting sales. Many online businesses have affiliate programs that writers can join, and there are also affiliate networks like Commission Junction and Share Sale that connect writers with businesses that offer affiliate programs. Now that we've explored the specific ways writers can make money online, let's dive into some tips and tricks for successful online writing. 1. Find your niche. One of the keys to successful online writing is finding your niche. By specializing in a particular area, you can establish yourself as an expert and attract clients who are looking for your specific expertise. For example, if you are a health and wellness writer, you can focus on writing for websites and businesses in the health and wellness industry. 2. Develop your skills. To be a successful online writer, it's essential to develop your writing skills continually. This means practicing writing every day, learning from feedback, and keeping up with the latest trends and best practices in writing. There are numerous online writing courses and resources available, such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Masterclass, that can help you improve your skills. 3. Build your online presence. Having a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients and building your reputation as a writer. This means having a professional website, social media profiles, and a portfolio of your work. By showcasing your skills and expertise online, you can attract potential clients and establish yourself as a professional writer. 4. Network with other writers. Networking with other writers is an excellent way to find new writing opportunities, get feedback on your work, and learn from others in the industry. Joining online writing communities, attending writing conferences, and participating in writing workshops can help you connect with other writers and build your professional network. 5. Be persistent. Making money online with writing requires persistence and dedication. It may take time to build your client base and establish yourself as a successful online writer. However, by consistently working on your craft, networking with others in the industry, and promoting yourself online, you can turn your passion for writing into a thriving online business. Now that we've covered tips and tricks for successful online writing, let's look at some statistics that back up the benefits of making money online as a writer. According to a survey by Freelancers Union, 77% of freelancers reported having a better work-life balance since they started freelancing, and 64% reported that freelancing has enabled them to take on more challenging work. Additionally, a report by FlexJobs found that freelance writing is one of the most in-demand remote jobs, with a 59% increase in job postings for freelance writers from 2019 to 2020. There are also numerous success stories of online writers who have used these secret hacks to make a substantial income. For example, Jordan Roper started her freelance writing business in 2014 and has since earned over $300,000 as a freelance writer. She credits her success to finding her niche, networking with other writers, and being persistent in pursuing her business. In conclusion, making money online with writing is a viable and potentially lucrative career path for writers. By utilizing these secret hacks, including freelance writing, content creation, self-publishing, and affiliate marketing, writers can turn their passion for writing into a thriving online business. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this video, developing their skills, building their online presence, networking with other writers, and being persistent, writers can achieve success in the world of online writing.